Psychology says the smallest habits shape the biggest parts of your life. And Japan has mastered the art of tiny daily behaviors that quietly transform your mind, discipline, and emotional stability. These habits look simple, but the psychology behind them is powerful enough to change how you think, work, and live. One shot down, 1% better every day. Kaizen is the Japanese habit of continuous, tiny improvement. Instead of chasing big changes, you focus on something your brain can actually sustain. One small step. Psychologists say micro progress increases dopamine, which keeps you motivated far longer than big, unrealistic goals. It feels achievable, so your brain stays engaged instead of shutting down. 2. Observing before acting. In Japan, people often quietly observe before they speak, move, or make decisions. This habit strengthens cognitive restraint, the ability to think before reacting. Psychology links this to better emotional control and fewer impulsive mistakes. Your brain learns to respond with clarity, not noise. 3. Declutter your mind by decluttering your space. Danshari means letting go of things you don't need. It's not minimalism for aesthetics. It's for mental clarity. Studies show that clutter increases cortisol, reduces focus, and overloads your working memory. By removing physical noise, your brain gets more room to think, feel, and breathe. 4. Eating until you're 80% full. This Okinawan practice trains people to stop eating before they feel stuffed. Psychology calls this interoceptive awareness, the skill of listening to your body. It prevents emotional eating, stabilizes energy levels, and reduces long-term stress on your digestive system. The mind works better when the body isn't overloaded. 5. Forest bathing. In Japan, people regularly walk through nature without rushing, just observing light, sound, and movement. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, lowering stress hormones and improving mental clarity. Psychologists say even 10 minutes of nature exposure resets your emotional baseline and boosts overall well-being. These habits look small on the outside, but inside, they reshape your brain, your discipline, your emotional balance, and your daily energy. Tiny habits, massive impact. If you want more psychology-backed videos that teach you powerful habits like these, hit that subscribe button right now, because the next video might be the one that changes your life.